Natural skincare. Natural skincare involves the use of products made from natural ingredients, such as plant extracts, essential oils, and minerals, to nourish and enhance the skin's health and appearance. Natural skincare products avoid the use of harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and artificial preservatives that can potentially harm the skin. Some natural ingredients commonly used in skincare include aloe vera, a soothing and hydrating ingredient that can help to heal sunburned or irritated skin. Jojoba oil, a lightweight and non-greasy oil that closely resembles the skin's natural sebum and can help to balance oil production. Rosehip oil, a rich source of antioxidants and essential fatty acids that can help to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Green tea extract, a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect the skin against environmental stressor and reduce inflammation. Shea butter, a deeply moisturizing ingredient that can help to soothe dry, cracked, or rough skin. Chamomile, a calming ingredient that can help to soothe sensitive or irritated skin. When applied to the skin, it may help to reduce signs of aging by protecting the skin from free radical damage. It accelerates cell and tissue renewal, reducing the appearance of fine lines. Start slowly. If you switch everything at once and have a reaction, you won't know what caused it. Introduce one new product per week. When choosing natural skincare products, it's important to look for ingredients that are organic, cruelty-free, and sustainably sourced. Additionally, it's important to patch test new products and to avoid using products that contain any ingredients that you may be allergic or sensitive to. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel Blissful Skin for more video regarding skin and beauty tips.